Hello everybody. In this opportunity we are talking about the common and special cause of variation. This is part of the challenge in the course of Six Sigma methodology. The process production always have a lot of problems, and these problems are usually for the variation. But it's important to know that all the process have a variation all the time, and this variation is naturally and have different factors. So in the process production we need raw materials that is changed for obtain finished products. So in this process involved 6M. There are the cause of the variation. But what is 6M? 6Ms can be the people, the materials, the machines, the measure, the environment, and the methods. All these factors are cause of variation. But in this opportunity we can differentiate what is a common and a special variation. So, to start, common cause of variation have different characteristics. We can say that the common cause of variation is present day by day, batch to batch, and it's given in a natural way. Also, it is inherent to the current characteristic of the process, and is the result of different causes that are difficult to identify and eliminate. And also is called random variation, noisy, non-controlled variation, and also inherent variation. The common cause of variations needs to take actions to reduce this variation. But we can make different mistakes in our decisions, and it is important to change the decisions to improve our conditions in our process. And what is a special cause of variation? Well, they are not permanent in the process, so they are caused by a special circumstance in the process. In a process with a special cause of variation is an uncontrolled process, and in Six Sigma is called unstable. We can control that process. Also, these causes have a big impact in the process and represent the more cost in our process. For that reason, require quite different and immediately action. In the same way, special cause of variations need to take actions that reduce the mistake in our process. An easy example to explain the difference between common and special variation will be if we think in a mining process. In an underground mining company, it's too important to denominate some areas in a better way to obtain the correct size of a mineral. So, it is important to have an explosive with high performance and quality that gives us the mineral in the correct size. Normally, the operator has a method that gives him a mineral in a correct size, but sometimes he obtains mineral in different size because he commits mistakes in the procedure. This is a common cause of variation. The mistakes that the personnel commit in a natural way. But now imagine that the mining company bought a new explosive more economics than the people were using, and they don't know that information. So they can imagine that they have the same explosive, and the result is that they haven't the same performance in the procedure. That means obtain more minerals in an incorrect size. So they can imagine that their method was the error, but really was cause of a special cause of variation. So the difference is that